Latest social media updates. LinkedIn adds new branded content library, listing all influencer campaigns in the app. Instagram tests new option to hide your like activity in the app. Google Calendar starts auto-hiding completed tasks. Snapchat partners with MTV to let users vote for VMAs through lenses. Google quietly releases Android Auto 10.4. Instagram's new feature will soon allow users to share feed posts with close friends. Google introduces AI-driven Proofread feature in Gboard Keyboard. Sundar Pichai says Google and Nvidia will still be working together 10 years from now. Google Maps now allows users to find their favorite places faster using emojis. Google's Gemini AI surpasses Chat GPT-4 fivefold, report. Google rolls out free Wi-Fi upgrade that instantly boosts your router's security. Meta's developing its own LLM to compete with OpenAI. YouTube announces AI-powered creative guidance in Google Ads. TikTok expands its creativity program funding initiative to more regions. For more digital trends, visit karanbalidi.com.